There are infinite possibilities of date settings. In this video, we show you the ones used the most. By clicking on a year, the data filters on the specific year and goes down a level. You can go further down by clicking with right in the small box and select down a level, or up again. From older years forward, with our pre-built green category from year, we can choose a new starting point. Using the category month, it's possible to compare the same month between several years or do the same with quarters. Exchange the date with the current month category to display which country data is already online and what's still missing. Take monthly report to get a quick overview of the current market development. As there is just one country online, you might want to switch the monthly report to the previous month. You can do this with taking year-to-date grouped and above in the month category the monthly report base, for instance for January. So you would get now the January monthly report. As we are in a year changing time and we would like to see the December 2021, you would also need to change the year. You do that with date flags 2021 to 2020 instead of year-to-date grouped. Now we see the monthly report for 2021. If you want to go now to December, just take the monthly report base, report December.